Open the Meross app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, select Smart Switch, and choose MSS815 to start the pairing process. If you've already completed the installation steps, you can skip the wiring steps. After power up, the device should beep, and the light will respond when toggling the panel. If no beep occurs, rapidly toggle the device 10 times in 10 seconds to reset it. If unresolved, click the button below for more information. We recommend the Meross app for its exclusive power monitoring support. In this demo, we've selected Add to Meross, but you can also use your preferred platform here or share to another one later. Proceed by scanning the QR code or entering the manual setup code, then follow the instructions to complete the setup. Device pairing with Meross is complete. Share it now with third-party services, or revisit this later in your settings.